All of our customers want to understand the risk introduced by their software supply chain. They typically start with a generic static software bill of materials called an SBOM that includes vulnerability information called an SCA report. Let's create a typical static SBOM using Docker Scout for the API server. The static SBOM lists 35 different vulnerabilities found in 19 different packages. But a developer reviewing this list would likely discard most of the results. Why? Well, developers prioritize both security and stability. We've all seen updates break things, so rapidly updating on every new third-party code change is risky. But real vulnerabilities need to be updated immediately. So developers spend an enormous amount of time scrolling through SBOMs to decide what's actually on the attack surface and what can be safely ignored. Mayhem Dynamic SBOM solves this problem by automatically identifying which parts of the SBOM are on the attack surface. First, Mayhem monitors your app as it runs to create an attack surface profile. Then, with the single command, Mayhem generates an SBOM showing you exactly what's vulnerable on your attack surface. It turns out, of the 35 vulnerabilities reported by Docker Scout, only 3 were observed in packages at runtime, with 32 being unobserved. Let's look at the results in the UI. So with a single toggle of a switch, you can look at the full SBOM list and the more accurate, actionable results from Mayhem. For example, while Docker Scout SBOM tells you to update all these different packages, apt, core utils, xbat, GCC, and so on, none of them are on the attack surface. With this single flip of the switch, you can see the one package you need to update to genuinely improve security, and that's Redis. So overall, Mayhem eliminates the work your team spends tracking down useless SBOM results. It gives your team an accurate picture of the real risk, and it focuses them on the actions that will genuinely improve security.